Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can open up W shares on W-Coin. Remember, you need to have opened 20 W shares for you to qualify for the W-Coin airdrop. So I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to open up these W shares. And one thing you have to know is that for you to open up the W shares, you must get the W keys. And that's what I'm going to be showing you guys. First of all, let me go over to the airdrop section to show you guys that you need the W shares opened up for you to qualify. Let me tap on the airdrop icon down there. Let me tap on it. Right here, guys, can see these are the criteria for you to qualify for the airdrop. You can see the last one that has been reviewed. It says 20 opened W shares. As you can see there, I'm not qualified for it. You can see I've not opened up to 20 W shares. That's why I can see it is not highlighted. It is actually faint. You can see it right there. But the rest of them I've actually completed them. But for that last one there, which is 20 opened W shares, I've not gotten the W shares opened up. So let me show you guys how you can be able to open up these W shares so that I can qualify right here. Let me go back now. You can see right here I'm back to the home page of the W-Coin mining app. The next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see W treasure. You can see it right there, W treasures. So let me tap on it. Right here, guys, this is where you can be able to buy keys for you to open up the W shares. You can see right here we have starter, guardian, treasure, and W cosmic. So you can decide to buy 1 key or 5 key or 10 key or 20 keys. You can see it right there. So what you have to do is to choose whichever one that you want. So let me go for treasure. Let me tap on treasure. You can see treasure right there. So guys, now you can see the next step, treasure, chances to win. So by buying this key, you stand the chance to win more gifts and more rewards on this W-Coin platform. So let me tap on get more W keys. Right here, guys, can see it right there at the top, key shop. W keys are used to open W chests and receive special rewards. So if you get W keys, you're going to get special rewards on this W-Coin platform, and also you're going to open up W chests. And that's what I'm going to show you guys how to do now. So let me go ahead now. How many keys am I going to get? So you can decide to get 1 key, 10 key, 100 keys, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, depending on the amount that you have. So let me tap on 10 keys. So guys, now you can see down there, getting these 10 keys will cost me either 0.3 ton or 70 stars. So which one am I going to use? Let me use my Telegram stars, since I have some Telegram stars in my Telegram wallet. So let me tap on 70 stars. So guys, now you can see reviewing transaction. Right here is the next step. Can see what's written there, confirm your purchase. Do you want to buy 10 keys in W-Coin for 70 Telegram stars? So let me tap on confirm and pay 70 Telegram stars. Let me tap on it right there. So guys, now you can see verifying transaction. So guys, now by doing this now, I've been able now to buy 10 keys. So let me cancel out of this at the top. So guys, now you can see I now have 10 keys right there. You can see my key balance, your balance, 10 keys. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to use it. So let me tap on, you can either decide to use 1 key at a time by tapping on starters. You can see it right there. Let me tap on it. So you can decide to use 1 key at a time, or you can decide to use 5 keys at a time by going for the guardian. You can see where it's written guardian, but I want to use all 10 keys at a time. So let me go for treasures. Let me go for treasures right away. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on open. So if I tap on open right now, that means I've been able now to open 10 W chests. That's what it means. So guys, let me tap on open right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. Wow, guys, can see I won 6,500,000 W-Coin. Can see it right here. This is the W-Coin reward. Sorry guys, rain just started falling, and I believe it's going to interfere with the quality of this audio. Just bear with me. So let me cancel out of this now. So guys, now you can see my key balance has reduced. My key balance is now 0. The number of keys that I have now is now 0. Remember, it used to be 10. That means I've been able now to use that 10 keys to open 10 W chests. So guys, this is how you can be able to open W chests on your W-Coin. So just go ahead now to buy the keys. Then you can be able to open 20 W chests so that you can be able to qualify for the W-Coin airdrop. So guys, I've come to the end of this video, and I believe it was helpful. See you in our next upload.